Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. It is SheModern Saturday, and we are going to be using a few different products here. One, we are going to be putting some mermaid pearl powders on the nails, and a couple decals, and maybe some bling. On Harley Marie, on this nail, we have the powders already on this nail. I don't know if you can see the blue shimmer, but there is. These are the decals we will be using, the ornaments. Love those. Those are super cute. They should go along with, they're blue, so they should go along with the nails real well. The nails here have a sticky lip base layer on them. So we are going to take this blue shimmery powder. I know it's on Amazon, I just can't find the link for it yet. When I do, I will post it in said video. So we're going to take this on each one of the nails. I'm just going to dab it down and start to rub. I think this is really super cute. I like the way it shows up on the blue. I did this on black not too long ago. All the 12, let me see, there was 9 colors. And I was wondering how it would look over their natural colors themselves. And here we go. There's with it and without it. So I think that looks really cute. I am going to do the rest of these nails and I will be right back. Hello, we are back. All nails are covered with the pearl powder. I think they look really super cute. I really like this a lot. I'm going to place them now back onto my flexi. Back onto Harley Marie so that I can continue on with today's said Manny. Sorry if I was out of frame there. Trying to place her nails back on. I have them on a stand and I have these on some like sticky glue tabs. Let's see, where are they? There's like 50 sheets. There's probably, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's probably at least, I would say 20 on a sheet. Just peel them off, put them on here, peel the backing side off. They're double-sided. Works great. Found these on Amazon too. If I remember, I'll leave the link down in the description box. Remember, always check the description box, ladies. You never know what you're going to find down there. You'll always find information for the products I've used in their links. Also, my discount codes for products where I have Maniology. You get 10% off, 5% off, or $5 off when you sign up for, I think it's called a Mani and Me box. You have a 10% off for Model 1s, and Soy Magnificent. Great products, great products. So now back to my SheModern. We're going to take these decals. Excuse me. And we are going to saturate them, so to speak. I will be placing these on with a stamper just so that I can get the proper placement where I want them. I'm also going to be using it's Model 1s, but it's called, this one says New 2. Here's the base coat. It's Leaf Hue by Model 1s. This is a steel top coat. The base coat is enhanced. Great products. I really like these a lot. It is a no wipe top coat. It just doesn't say so on the bottle. But yeah, when you put it on, it's just great. You don't have to wipe it with an alcohol prep pad. You got to do nothing. It's just great and ready to go. Ready to go. Okay, decals look like they're ready. I am going to be using my stamper to pick them up. Got a tissue here to dab the water out. And I'm going to place that item on the nail. What do I need? I need something that I can't find. Oh. Pardon my noise while I look for my rubber. Oh, what's it called? Oh. I can't think of what it's called, so I'm going to use my brush here. Oh. Tweezers would be helpful too. So I'm going to pause this so I can find my items. I am back. I have found my tweezers and my rubber silicone tool. I have applied the decal, pressed the water out, smooth this out. You will feel no difference in this whatsoever. You can also put, and I didn't, the glue gel for dry coloring pigments and glitter, or you got the grip gel for foil art. This is what I should use with the grip gel. Did not think of it. I figured there'd still be some tackiness left from the before I put the pearl powders on. Maybe not. We'll see here again. Pick it up. Dab. Try to place on the nail. Well, this doesn't want to stay in place. Here we go. Straighten this out a little bit from where you want it. Oops. I think maybe we should have put the grip gel on first. I'm going to place this back down in the water. Can't figure out which one it is. Too early in the morning for me, I guess. I'm going to apply this on the nail. Thin coat. You don't need a lot, and I have quite a bit on the nail. I'll do my best to wipe it off, even it out here. And I'm going to apply this to the lamp for 30 seconds. See how well this works. There we go. Using my new bell lamp that I got with its groovy design, 30 lights, 48 watts. Check out my video review on that one also. Really nice lamp. Very pleased with it. Not that the lamp I didn't have before wasn't good. It was great. It's always nice to have a backup. This one's kind of cool because of the groovy designs on it. 30 lights. They come all the way back to where your wrist would be. So you don't have to, say if you're just doing your thumb, you don't have to insert it quite all the way. Whoops. Okay. We are done here. I am going to use the tweezers this time to pick up said decal. Press it down where you want it. Kind of flooded my sidewalls out here with the grip glue. Great product by SheModern. They have the grip gel and the glue gel. Great products. Okay, let me see. Move this side of the way. I'm gonna go in for a little bit of bling, I think. A little bit of bling. And I think I'm gonna put it on the middle finger. So I'm going to use the top coat. I hope that is sufficient. Hope that is sufficient. Got me some beautiful little gems here. I think that's real pretty. Here we go, here we go. Whoops. There we go with that one. This doesn't want to stay in place, huh? This doesn't want to come off here. It was stuck to my picker-upper. How does that look? I'm going to top coat the rest of the nails. At the end of your nails. Remember, don't put them on too thick. Kind of dab it around your gem there. Go over here to our index finger. Try not to flat out the side walls of the cuticle this time. And our thumb. Last but not least. I think this looks really pretty with the mermaid powders underneath it, the blue. It has a blue shimmer to it, which I hope you can see on the nails. You have to let me know down in the comments below. I am going to pause this. Whoops. I'm going to cure for 1 minute. And I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We have top coated, we have cured, everything is secure on the nails. And I think it looks beautiful. Really do. I like the bling. It matches the color of the decals. I think it looks really cute. Let me know down in the comments what you think. If you're not subscribed here, or subscribed, excuse me, please do so. Please support my channel and join me along the way. I do a SheModern Saturday every Saturday with different SheModern products being featured. And I would really appreciate your support. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you were here. If you are brand new and a new subscriber, I would greatly appreciate that. You know, just so I can say hello and welcome. And yeah, we have come to the end of our video. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.